How to apply filter in Canva. So first, go to Canva. Then for example, this is the picture that I want to apply filter to. You can do this with videos as well. So first is click on the video or the image, then click on edit here at the top, and then you can just look for filters and then click on see all, and then just choose any of the filter here that you want to use. Okay, so let's say I'm going to use this one, and there you go. Now let's say we want to add it to a video. You can do that as well. So let's just add a video here. Okay, so let's look for videos. Okay, this one. Okay, let's just add it here. There you go. Now to apply filter here, click on edit here again. Then you can search for filters, click on see all, then just choose any of the filters here that you want. So let's say I'm going to use this one, latte. So yep, there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.